Good morning, everybody. We got green futures. Let's see what's going on. All right, pre-market. We went down a little bit. Was a little bit red, but then after 7 a.m. it started running up. So 15:31 hours upward. MACD is upward. TTM is squeezed bullish upward. 4 hour MACD is coming up a little bit on the NQ, but it's still very bearish on daily and weekly. We got a statistic fast on daily golden cross. Weekly is coming up a little bit. It's all about the CPI and PPI tomorrow and the day after. Um, my guess is that market will go up. So we'll see. Oh, that was NQ. Let's do ES. I always do ES first. ES, same thing. Like NQ, 15:31 hours upward, 4 hours same. Daily and weekly same. Weekly is actually more sharper upward on the statistic fast. That's interesting. Dow Jones. Dow Jones weekly is kind of flat. The same like ES and NQ. RTY is actually 4 hours upward too. It's already got a golden cross. That's interesting. DXY, running up. It's just between 101.37 and 101.914 range up and down for now. Once it breaks the range, it can have a bigger effect on the market. 10-year going lower. Daily MACD is dead cross. Weekly is very bearish. So the lower this goes, the better for market. Lower rates, rate cut. About the rate cut next week, FOMC. Everybody already knows most likely we're gonna have a 0.25. The question is if it's gonna be 0.25 or it's gonna be 0.50, 0.5. And the thing is, it was very interesting. A data that was shared, I shared it last night on my Twitter. That if we have 0.25 is much more bullish for market than having zero point 0.5. Just keep that in mind. Historically, that was better. So anyway, weeks 4 hours dead cross downward, pointing down. Pre-market lower, we got the negative. So it's all about 1865, 1812. If it goes below that, market can get more squeezy upward. But keep an eye on weeks. If 5 and 15 you see golden cross and comes up, 1951, 2037 are keys. If it goes above that, the market can have another dump. Just keep in mind, in August 5, when market jumped up, market bounced back up. Next 2 days, we had another big dump midday suddenly. So that's the only thing that I'm afraid today to watch out for it. If we you see suddenly a pullback, a big pullback, it can continue lower. But if we see today non-stop run up into the close, that means maybe they already expect a bullish CPI and PPI. So we'll see which outcome comes. SPX, I think is already past 54.84 level, 54.86 level. So we're looking at if past next major level to watch is 5500. That's mental level. Past that one, 5509 and 5523, 5535, 5546. BTC. BTC 4 hours upward is establishing a range for now. Had a nice bounce up yesterday. Daily is coming up a little bit on the MACD, but yeah, I think most likely it's going to be inside the range. Apple went down, came up again because of the fine they got in the EU. Pre-market right now, 30 is upward, hovering around 219. So two key levels to watch at the open is 218, 18, and 220, 29. If it passes either one, it's going to have a bigger move. My expectation is that Apple is going to have a big move to this week, like something like 4 or 5% day. I'm not sure if it's gonna do it on its own or CPI or PPI is gonna cause it, but most likely it will have. 221.87, that's a major level to watch. Past that one, 222, 224, 226. If it goes below 2018, next supports are 216 and 214. Below 214 can get dumpy to 213, 211, and 210. As always, I show you both side levels. You never know when market opens what's gonna happen. Amazon, nice run up. 4 hour MACD's golden cross. It had a nice strong close yesterday. And next level to watch out is 178.57, 180.02 is gapping up 2 points. So keep an eye on it. Very bullish on the 15:30 and 1 hour, 4 hour. Daily is upward. Weekly with statistic fastest golden cross. So this one, it's all about 180. Once past 180, you can see here rejected it a few times and then it couldn't go. Rejected it 180 one time here and one time rejected 182. So Once past 180, 182 is good to go. Anyway, Nvidia is on the run up. Nvidia just know its behavior. Last few months, every time it went down big, it came up, much bigger back up, and it seems like it's starting to do the same again. So 4 hour MACD is golden cross upward, and right now it's gapping up like 1 2 points. So it's all about 107.98 and 108.95. Past that one, we're looking at 110, 112. If it goes crazy like last month, past 112, 113, 116, and 118 can come. Pre-market right now, 15:30, 1 hour is upward. 4 hour, I love it that they got a light blue bar in the 4 hour. So that's why I'm saying there's a chance that goes. Again, supports are 105, 103.89. Below that, those are the levels, but 100 is a big wall that is defending for now. Um, Defended. AVGO. It went down yesterday and it was weak at the open, but then it had a nice bounce up and it had a strong close. Pre-market 4 hours golden cross finally. After market is closed yesterday, golden cross. 1 hour is upward. 15:30 is upward. It's still very bearish on daily and weekly, but 4 hours golden cross, so maybe it goes for bounce up. 141.76 key level to watch. Past that one, 143.32, 145.84 next major level. If it goes below 140, next supports are 139, 137.25, and 26 and lower level. Until the 15 is not dead cross, it's possible to run up higher. Keep in mind that all semis follow Nvidia, so if Nvidia goes, others tag along too. Coin 4 hours golden cross got some bounce up, but still a little bit tough to play. This one went down big time. Daily and weekly are still very bearish. Mixed signal, 156.15 need to pass it is strong. Next levels are 158, 161. It's all up to BTC. If BTC goes, this goes. If it doesn't go, just gonna be stuck in the range. Netflix. Netflix had a nice jump up yesterday at open, but then not so much strong close. 4 hour MACD is golden cross, 677 key level to watch. Earnings in October, so we're not that far away. 679, 684 if it jumps up, and below 672, those are the support levels to watch. Meta, 3 points gap up. 4 hour MACD is golden cross. 507.88 key level to watch for that one. Pass 511, 514. If 514 passes, it can get crazy, and we're looking at 515, 516.97, 518.69. I like that the 15:30, 1 hour, and 4 hours all upward. Tesla got some positive news this morning about EU tariffs and stuff, and is opening above 220 so far. 4 hour, we're getting a yellow bar. They killed the premium a lot last 2 days, yesterday and Friday, and then premiums are much cheaper. But right now it's gapping up 3 points, so we'll see if it's gonna hold, it's gonna fall, and jumps up again, or it's just gonna be non-stop run up. Anything is possible for Tesla. So if it opens and drops 219, 216, 214, 86 support levels, and if it passed 220.94 strong, then we're looking at 223, 226.39 next major level. I like that the 4 hour we got a yellow bar, and this was with 235 on Friday, on Thursday. So there is possibility maybe goes back to 226. Yeah, so until the 15 MACD is not dead cross, chances is has a run up. Microsoft 3 points gap up open, 4 hours upward, 1 hour same, 30.15 same, 409 key level to watch. Past that one, 411.63. Above that can run up to 412, 413, 415, 36. If it pulls back, 406, 43 retest. But I like that the 1 hour, 4 hour is upward. Google today looks like a good day. Even if it gets a pullback, it could be a good day for a deep buy. 150.09. That's a key level. Most likely is gonna pass at open and go to 151.55. Above that, next levels are 152, 154, and 156. We entered at 150 calls yesterday at the close 113. It went to 150. Most likely it's gonna be a double at open. Then we'll see if it's gonna go higher. 4 hour, we got a yellow bar, TTM squeeze, and MACD if it golden cross, more run up again. It went down so big on daily and weekly, so right now it's just doing a oversold bounce up. We'll see if it's gonna be a solid one or if it's just gonna be temporary. Until the 30 and MACD is not that cross, it does have a chance for more run up. AMD, AMD need to pass 140. Need to pass 140 is strong. 140.76. Then we're looking at 142.72 next major. As always, if Nvidia goes, this one has chance to go one above 142.72, 143, 145.28, 146.87. 4 hours upward, 1 hour same. 30 MACD golden cross, and 15 is upward. So we'll see. Supports are 138, 137, and below that, those are the levels. SMCI and had a nice run up yesterday, but it pulled back into the close. Now it's gapping up again. 416 need to pass is strong. 417 I think was the high of yesterday. 417.77. Past that one, we're looking at 420, 424, and 428. If it gets crazy, 433, 440. SPY to opening 2 points higher, all about 548.33. Above that, we can run up to 550, 552, 553.68. Those are the next major level. Supports are 547 if it can hold it, 545, 545.03. Very bullish on the 15, 31 hour and 4 hour. And we got a TTM squeeze light blue bar. So there's a chance we have a more run up today. QQQ, same thing. We're looking at 547, 548.98. But those are the next major level. Above 548 can run to 549, 561, and 562.55 next major level. Supports are 553 and 551 in case it gets a pullback. But what else? One thing I want to note, point out, where is that thing? Oh, here. Market never goes straight down, never goes straight up. It's always like this. Right now, the trend on market is down. We went down on August, we went down on Friday, and we got a bounce up. So we came down, we got up. Now we came down again. We'll see how much up is gonna go. And right now is in a bounce up. Trend is in a bounce up. So, but it's all up to our CPI and PPI. And if they come good, we can get close again to the all-time high, which we got last 2 weeks. That's pretty much it on the major names. Let me see. Do JP Morgan gapping up there too, because of the news. 222 to 26 if it runs up more. Yep. ORCL, nice gap up on the earning. If it goes crazy, 159, 915 is the next major level. Actually, I do need the levels there. 150, 29, 159, 15. Yeah, so this one, 153.67. That's a key level to watch. Past that one, 155, 159. Apple, I went over it. Kava. Kava. Kava is crazy, you know. The owners, the founders, the big shareholders, they sold a lot, and it dumped, and but it did some nice recovery so far. Pre-market right now, 515 is upward, 30 and is near golden cross. 1 hour is upward, 4 hour got a golden cross already, is in the uptrend. So there is a possibility that this continue going higher. Yeah, I mean goes close to the all-time high. Let me just check the levels 1 second. I need the extension right now. So 141.73 is the next major level. 98.69, 141.73. So yeah, this one is hovering around 120 right now. So next major level is 125.29 if it continue going higher. PLTR, man, this name getting crazy. PLTR, 4 hours still very bullish on the MACD and TTM squeeze. Daily MACD is upward, so most likely he's gonna have a golden cross today. Pre-market 15, 30, 15 is up, 30 on 1 hour is kind of flat, but is making a new high. So watch 35.21. Past that one, next major level is 36.62. Above that, 45 next major. Let me see. 36.62. 45. Yeah, so 36.62 is possible to come this week. Once we pass that one, those are the next major level: 38, 41, 45. All right, thank you so much and have a beautiful, lovely day.